Yay! Hello mga kabangbang! I'm so beautiful! Yeah, it's beautiful here at Ceylon Coffee Club. And we got charcoal coffee for my mother. Yay! With love! Ayun! Made by Manong! Ay! Nadula si Manong. Hi Manong! Thank you! Yes, mga kabangbang! Sa mga tanan sa inyo kung nag-wonder kung di ng Ceylon Coffee Club. Diri kami sa may Megaworld ground floor, San Juan Madison Place Condominium. Yes! Diri sa may condo corner naton, diri opposite side pa, ganun. Doon ang McDonald's. In front of me is ang atong yung museum. And there you go. Kung mag-order kita isang coffee, meron tayong libre na pa-donut. Tatlo sini, and let's try it. How does it taste? Does it taste like milk tea? But it's hot like me from Ceylon tea. Ta-da! It's freshly brewed. When you order, just have to wait a little bit. So we have chai latte for my sister, and I got Ceylon perfect tea. Artista! Artista! Enjoy the rest of my coffee, and kagina nagtilaw haton nga bugwet. Hindi na siya bugwet. She is definitely, yes, nakita niyo yung kamot, officially our apprentice. Nag-start na siya sa iyong first vlog covering the Iloilo Aspins last week. If nakalantaw ka mo, and yes na yes, another surprise, imnanta na isang kape. We will be back here. Mag-cover kita kag mag-gather sa inyong mga donations for our Aspins. Yes, mga kabangbang, on December 18, see you here 8 a.m. Dili lang din kami matambay kag mahulat sa inyong mga donations for our lovely dogs sa Iloilo Aspins. There you go. See you here on December 18. Goodbye, everyone! For your waffle, you can choose either blueberry, strawberry, or chocolate. So we have here blueberry. Thank you, kid. Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong yung channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo dili, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspired!